So, good day, ma'am. My name is Royhana M. Gani, BE Ed 2, Section 3. Teaching is the noblest profession. Teaching is widely regarded as one of the most nobly respected professions in the world. It is a profession that requires dedication, patience, and a passion for helping others learn and grow. Teachers play a vital role in shaping the minds of future generations, and their impact can be felt long after the students have left the classroom. The importance of teaching is just not a job. It is a calling that requires a deep commitment to the well-being and education of others. Teachers are responsible for imparting knowledge, skills, and values to their students, helping them to become informed, thoughtful, and productive members of society. The importance of teaching cannot be overstated, as it is a true education that individuals can acquire the knowledge and skills. It is necessary to succeed in life. Qualities of good teachers. Good teachers possess of a number of qualities that set them apart from others. They are passionate about their subject matter, dedicated to their students, and committed to helping other learners. They are also skilled communicators, able to convey complex ideas in a clear and concise manner. Good teachers are patient, empathic, and understanding, recognizing that each student learns at their own pace of has unique needs and abilities. The importance of teachers. The importance of teachers on their students can be profound. Teachers have the power to inspire, motivate, and empower their students, helping them to reach their full potential. They can also have a lasting impact on their students, lives shaping and their values, attitudes, and beliefs. Many people can look back on their educational journey and identity. Specific teachers who made a significant differences in their lives. There are challenging facing teaching. Despite the importance of teaching is the profession faces a number of challenges. Teachers often have to deal with large class sizes, limited resources, and high-stakes testing. They may also face challenges related to students' behavior, parental involvement, and administrative support. Additionally, are often expected to take a role beyond the classroom, such as counseling, mentoring, and structural activities. So, they are the rewards of teaching. Despite the challenges, teaching is a highly rewarding profession. Teachers have the opportunity to make positive impact on their students, lives helping to them to grow their development into capable and confident individuals. They also have the chance to shape the future, inspiring and motivating their students to become active participants in society. The rewards of teaching are numerous, and many teachers find that the profession is a source of personal fulfillment and satisfaction. In conclusion, so teaching is a needed in the profession or the noblest profession. It requires dedication, patience, and a passion for helping others to learn and grow. Teachers play a vital role in shaping the minds of future generations. Impact can be felt long after students have left the classroom. Is a highly rewarding profession that offers many opportunities for personal or professional growth. As we celebrate the nobility of teaching, let us also recognize the importance of supporting teachers and providing them with the resources and autonomy they need to excel in their profession. So they have the role of teachers in shaping society. Teachers play a critical role in shaping the values, attitudes, and beliefs of future generations. They have the power of inspire, motivate, and empower their students, helping them to become active participants in society. Teachers can also shape the future by promoting critical thinking, critical creativity, and problem-solving skills. So, the importance of teachers' training and development. Teachers need ongoing training and development to stay current with the best participants or practices and to meet the evolving needs of their students. Includes training in areas such as technology integration, classroom management, and differentiated instruction. The importance of technology on teaching. Technology has transformed the way teachers teach and students learn. It offers new opportunities for engagement, collaborative, and personalization. Teachers can use technology to create interactive lessons, provided real-time feedback, and connect with students in the new innovative ways. So, a good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill love of learning unknown. Teachers or teaching is not a job. It is a calling, a passion, and commitment to making a difference. By recognizing the nobility of teaching, we honor the dedication, hard work, and selflessness and educators around the world. We also acknowledge the critical role that teachers play in shaping the future and inspiring the next generation of leaders, innovators, and citizens. Teaching is widely regarded as one of the most noble and impactful professions. Here are some key points about the teaching considered so vital. So number 1, shaping minds. Teachers play a crucial role in shaping the minds of future generations. They impart knowledge, skills, and values that help students grow to capable and responsible individuals. So number 2, inspiring future generations. So teachers have the power to inspire and motivate and students to reach their full potential. So they help students discover their passions and interests, which can shape their future career and personal lives. Number 3, fostering critical thinking. Encourage critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity. These skills are essential for students to succeed in our ever-changing world. Number 4, building community. Teachers often serve as role models of mentors, helping to build strong, supportive communities. They foster a sense of belonging and encourage social responsibilities. Number 5, promoting lifelong learner. Good teachers instill a love of learning that can last a lifetime. They equip students with the skills and confidence to continue learning, grow, and growing throughout their lives. Number 6. Making a lasting impact. The influence of a great teacher can be felt for years to come. Teachers can change the course of a student's life, helping them to achieve their goals and dreams. So in conclusion, teaching is indeed a noble profession that requires dedication, patience, and a passion for helping others grow. If you'd like to explore a specific aspect of teaching of the education, further feel free to ask. The importance of the teaching profession is one of the most vital professions in the world. Teachers play a crucial role in shaping the minds of future generations, imparting knowledge and fostering critical thinking, a creativity, problem-solving skills. In this article, we will explore the importance of the teaching profession and its impact on individuals, communities, and society as a whole. Shaping minds and future. Teachers have the power to inspire and motivate students to reach their full potential. They help students discover their passions and interests, which can shape their future career and personal life. So a good teacher can make a lasting impact on a student's life, helping them to develop into capable, responsible, and to individuals. So they have key or responsibilities of teaching. Some key responsibilities of teaching include imparting knowledge to students. So imparting knowledge to students is the impart of knowledge and skills to students, helping them to understand and apply concepts in various subjects. So number 2, fostering critical thinking. So this is the importance of teachers encourage to critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity, essential skills for their students to succeed in every changing on the world. Building community to teachers serve as a role models of mentors to helping build strong to support communities and fostering sense or belonging. So promoting lifelong learner. So this rules good teachers instill a love of learning that can last of a lifetime, equipping students with the skills and confidence to continue learning and growing. So some of others is impact on the society. The teaching profession has a profound impact on society. So some ways is which teachers contribute to society, including the shaping the future citizens. No? So teaching helps shape the minds of future citizenship or citizens to imparting values and skills that are essential for our functioning democracy, to promoting social mobility. Education can be a powerful tool for social mobility, and teachers play a crucial role in helping students from disadvantaged backgrounds to succeed, fostering economic growth. Always educated workforce is essential for economic growth and development, and teachers play a key role in preparing students for the workforce. So they have a challenging facing the profession. So, despite its importance, the teaching professions face several challenges, including the teaching shortage. So many struggles to attract the retain high-quality teachers, particularly in a certain subject. Limited resources. Teachers often have to work with limited resources, which can make it difficult to provide students with the best possible into the education. So high stress levels. Teaching can be a high stress profession with teachers facing pressure to meet targets and manage classrooms behaviors. So the teaching professions is of vital importance to individuals, communities, and society as a whole. Teachers play a crucial role in shaping minds, fostering critical thinking, and promoting lifelong learning. Despite challenges facing the professions, teachers remain dedicated to providing students with the best possible education and helping them to reach their full potential. Would you like me to expound on a specific aspect of teaching or education? So, they are the benefits teaching profession. The teaching professions offers numerous benefits, not only for the teachers themselves, but also for their students, communities, and society as a whole. And I